The second SupDem is a simple MT4 indicator that mentions the supply and demand zones of the forex pairs. The SupDem is an acronym for supply and demand. The indicator plots supply and demand zones that reflect support and resistance levels. The second SupDem indicator plots support and resistance levels whenever there's a major market movement. Whenever there's a high trading volume or major volatility, SupDem paints supply and demand zones. The green zone mentions the demand levels, while the red zone illustrates the supply levels. Whenever the indicator plots the zones, it indicates a possible reversal. This indicator for MT4 also displays a trend meter, suggesting the current trend. The downward arrow along with red lines tells the overall downward trend. On the flip side, the upward arrow and green lines mention the overall trend. Forex traders can apply the indicator on longer and shorter timeframes. However, as the indicator doesn't give buy or sell signals, traders need to use the second SupDem with other indicators. 2 SupDem indicator buy/sell signals. The above pound sterling to US dollar H4 chart shows buy and sell signals with the indicator. The second SupDem indicator presents a possible trend reversal by plotting supply and demand zones. Whenever the green zone appears, it mentions the resistance levels, and traders should go short. On the other hand, if the indicator plots red zones, traders can enter long positions. The good thing about the indicator is it also mentions the overall market sentiment. So forex traders can take advantage of this and take their positions accordingly. In addition, the indicator draws weaker supply and demand zones also. The weaker levels paint themselves in different colors. Whenever the weak zone emerges, traders should wait for the price action to continue in the direction and then take positions. Is there a supply/demand indicator? Yes, the second SupDem indicator for MT4 tells traders about the supply and demand of the forex pair. It draws zones to highlight these levels. How do you use a supply and demand indicator? Traders can use the second SupDem indicator by following the supply and demand zones. The zones look identical to support and resistance levels. The SupDem indicator is designed to trade on supply and demand zones. It determines them by the behavior of the price. If the price turns sharply upwards, it means that demand significantly exceeds supply. If the price turns sharply downwards, it means that supply significantly exceeds demand. It does not matter what influencing factors cause the reversal, fundamental or technical. All factors are summed up in the ultimate forces of supply and demand. So, SupDem indicator uses important reversals on the price chart to display resistance zones in yellow and support zones in blue. I take personal that supply and demand is a good trading strategy and for simple to use similar to